Alright, so we got, what is this, a 97 Jetta?
96 Volkswagen Jetta MK3 2.0.
Alright, cool. Alright, turn the key forward. Let's see if we can start it. We have no dash lights, right?
There's no lights, no accessory. The gas doesn't show, the brake doesn't show.
Alright, start it. It's cranking.
It's cranking, but no prime to the fuel pump.
Alright, let's stop. Alright. So what we're doing right now is we're gonna disconnect this piece back here. And we're gonna steal this Jetta. See the anti-theft going crazy over here? See it?
Where is it?
He's telling us somebody's fucking with this car. Alright, so now we got the wire. Okay, so remember, this red one, that's the power from the battery. This other red one is the starter.
Yeah.
And the one right under that one right here, that's the ignition.
Ignition, yeah. And where's the accessory?
So watch. Watch this. Hold this phone right here.
Yeah.
Hold it right here. Right there. I can see it. You can see it right there? Okay, bam, right there. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this wire that I already pre-made on the straight battery, and I'm gonna go straight to the ignition. And as soon as I do that, you see these lights turning on.
Yep.
See?
Now you have the accessory lights.
Accessory lights. Now now we gotta do the starter. Now watch this. I'm gonna put this one. So I'm gonna put this one up here where the starter goes. And you see how it goes? Okay, this is the starter over here. And now we're gonna go straight from the power from the battery and watch it turn on.
Yeah.
See? Car's running. We'll go back down here. So now if you want to turn it off, if you want to turn off this car, all you gotta do is get this piece down.
And disconnect the starter.
Disconnect this piece. No, the ignition.
Oh, the ignition.
The one that's making all the lights turn on. Bam.
Yeah.
If you want to turn it on again, hook up the ignition again.
Tap it.
And then touch the starter over. Bam. So we're gonna turn it off. Bam. That's okay. So we made a little entrapment right here. That's for the ignition. Both of those are ignition. Now start the car.
Or have it in.
Okay, we got ignition. Okay, take it out of there. Put it down there, those little running lights. Bam.
There.
So now let's check the headlights. Yeah, turn your lights on. Alright, those are running lights? Those are not the high beams, are they? Okay, that's the running lights. Because I know one of your headlights is out. Okay, put your high beams now. Alright, let go of the high beams. Alright, turn signals. Alright, the other one. Alright, we're good. Well, we already checked the back ones, so we know the back ones are working. It was just a demonstration for the video.